Hi friends, welcome to Success Smile. This is Senthil. In this series of videos, we have been discussing about how to manage the lockdown challenges. So one of the major lockdown challenges that we come across is our eye problems. Why eye problems and lockdown? Because now you know that most of our work happens through your mobile phone, laptop, or at least you watch television. So the time that you spend on these electronic devices have drastically increased when you're looking at this lockdown trend. So this causes major problem of eyesight. And now you know that elders can at least understand, but youngsters, how do we tell the children and how can we make them accept it? What are the ways to do that? Everything we can see in this video. Friends, you know, nowadays, many of our people tell me that their mobile started letting them know that their 7.5 hours of watch hours is over, that screen time is exceeding, so please take rest. So think about an electronic device letting you know that you need to take rest right now. We are in that stage. So it is important for us to take care. Why? Any digital device that emits light can cause damage to your eyes. So it starts from headache, eye strain, eye puffiness, or black circle. From there to the serious issues like blurred vision, or even the blue light from your phone may even permanently damage the eyes. So it is very critical for you to manage your eyesight properly. And what do I do for this? Please reduce the time that you spend on these screens. Please do understand that there are other things that we can do. That includes exercise. You talk to your family, you talk to your people, and when you're on phone, you don't have to always depend on a video call. So try limiting the time that you're spending on your mobile phone. And the second thing is you adjust the brightness, contrast as well as the text size accordingly so that your eyes are not straining, and keep your screen far away so that you don't contact it too close to your eyes. And apart from that, how to position it, and you should not bend your head down and watch for a long time. So that positioning also is something that I have described in another video. You can watch that. I will share the link of that video in the description box. So apart from this, you also need to periodically do some eye exercises so that your eyes are maintained perfectly. Now the question comes, many of us say, we agree with whatever you say, but we can't convince our children. Friends, just because of this, I'm going to show you the live of, how to explain this to your children, and let us watch it now. Hi kids.
Hi.
What are you playing, Ram?
PUBG.
What are you playing, Harini?
Race.
Very nice. Okay, so actually keep your phone down because you're using it for a long time.
Just 1 minute.
Why? You need to actually keep it down. So you are playing for 2 hours. It's not right. Okay. So let me tell you this. You are playing this game. I will tell you another game. You just pause it. We will play and then you can come back to it. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on pause and keep the phone down. Great. Now you just need to keep your face straight like this. You are not supposed to turn your face, but look at the objects what I'm telling right now, right? You can only move your eyes, but not your face, okay?
Okay.
All right, so look at the fan, floor, calendar on the right hand side, window on the left. Fan, calendar, floor, window. Fan, calendar, floor, window. Fan, calendar, floor, window. Window, calendar. Window, calendar. Window, calendar. Fan, floor. Fan, floor. Excellent, you're doing it right. So now you need to keep your finger straight to you, your index finger, and ensure that it is straight to your nose. And you look at only the nail. So you concentrate on the nail and you keep focusing and come towards your nose. And then now you go back. You repeat it again. And you go back. Excellent. So you're able to do this well. So keep your palm on your eyes, both your palm, and then gently rotate it towards your clockwise and anti-clockwise. Excellent. Remove your hands. Okay, this is something you need to do often. And please understand, when you're using mobile phone for a long time, you actually get problems on your eyes. So you have to do this periodically. Okay. So now I have some work, and join me in cleaning this house. Then we can come back and resume your game. So be it your Rail Rush or be it your PUBG. Is it okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. So, friends, I have just shown some ways to handle your kids. Never say no to them, never demand them to do certain things, but then you can go in their way, and then you can politely tell them to come back from it. Don't say anything what they are not supposed to do, say something what they are supposed to do. This will definitely convince your children. So, do try it out and put it on the comment whether it works or not. So don't worry, even if it is not working, you have a lot of other ways and we can play more videos in that regards. So is that all that I need to do? No. If you want fresh eyes, please do drink water always. Drinking water is the key. For many problems that drinking water helps you. So periodically drink water to hydrate yourself, and also sleep for complete 8 hours approximately, and not sleeping too late, and sleep at a proper time and wake up early in the morning. And this time you should not have any of the disturbance. So if you sleep peacefully like this, drink water and do periodic exercises like what we have told, I'm sure you can do very well. And additionally, you can also use anything like this cucumber or tea bags or green tea bags, used ones I'm talking about. You can keep it on your eyes for half an hour before you sleep, and then you remove it. This will help you with solving problems such as puffiness or dark circle, all these things. So if you do all these things lively, you are protecting your eyes, and you can be really happy that you're taking care of your eyes during this lockdown, which means you are spending the time wisely. If you like this video, please do comment, subscribe, as well as like it. And please click the bell icon and also get the notification of my new videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.